morning and welcome in today's vlog. So it is a Sunday morning. By the way, it's already 9 a.m. and yeah, I'm getting ready, guys, because we're gonna eat breakfast. Yeah, we decided to eat breakfast out, and then after that pupunta na kami mag-grocery na kami for the week's grocery. So ayun, so I'm so sorry that I did not post any video this week. Yeah, because I wasn't feeling so well. I was a little under the weather. Yeah, but yeah, so today and yesterday I did not. So I was like, oh, do I vlog today? But yesterday I wasn't really feeling it because I was busy organizing here because I cannot bear the clutter. But I'm still not finished because I still have a lot of things to get done. Yeah, I did a lot of editing. So ayun, so yeah, that's our day, and I need to be fast because I'm really hungry, and I also need to feed a cat. So see you later. Do a little update here, guys. So this is our current situation. At least Rookie just made this para sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko na gawa niya ng divider kasi etong closet na to is Japanese style, tapos isang malaking ganyan lang talaga siya, guys. And if you will, pag bibili pa kami ng wardrobe, hindi na siya magkasya. So we need to utilize this area here. So ito yung ginawa ni Rookie. So he made this one, yung divider, kasi sabi ko sa kanya, gawan mo siya ng divider para hindi clutter yung ano. I have my sports bra here. So yeah, hindi na siya masyadong cluttery, di ba? Looking pretty good. So at least nung kahapon ko lang to ginawa, kaya hindi ako nag-film. And also on this part here is pretty not crowded anymore. So ayan, dati kasi ang daming plastic. Pero dito marami pa talaga sa baba yung mga, kasi hindi ko pa nagawa yung aking background sa aking video. So I'm not doing a set down video pa. Kasi nga hindi ko pa na prepare yan. So ayan yung closet natin update. Guys, hindi man lang sinarado ni Rookie. We are ready to leave. Hindi ko alam kung magsasandal ako o magsasapatos ng aking white. Ito lang yung bag na dadalhin ko kasi I don't wanna bring. Uy, sorry, nakikita niyo yung bra nakasabit. So yeah, suot muna natin to. And where are my keys? I need to look for my keys. Because turn mong gas. Ayan. Wala na bang nakalimutan? Mamaya na lang ako maglalaba sa rest of the labahin. Because I'm really hungry. So, there is Melvin eating his foodie. Melvin. Tapos may milk din siya. Tapos ito pala yung bahay ni Melvin. Yung karton. Na nirap ni Rookie ng saran wrap. Melvin, where is Margot? Yan, tingnan niyo yung face ni Melvin. Medyo naging okay na. Let me see your face. Kasi naubos yung hair ng face niya kasi inaway siya ng girls. Kasi bakit inaway ka ng girls, Melvin? Because Nung mating time pala. Ayaw talaga marap eh. So, today is Father's Day, by the way. So, we are going to eat breakfast out. Yeah, sakto jud ka dong. Joyful. So, konti lang yung mga tao talaga yung kumakain sa mga restaurants pa rin. Kasi, di ba sa Corona wheels, ayun, tawag pala ng Nihongo pala ng virus is wheels. So, ano pa rin, may ano, positive pa rin na isang tao dito sa sa area namin, kaya medyo parang alert na naman sila. So I don't know unsa ni branch, kaya it's already 10:30. Happy Father's Day, sweet. Oh my god,
Where's my mask?
nangita na siyang mask. Di siya naminaw sa ko. Happy Father's Day. Kiss sa mask. There's joyful. I'm gonna go inside. Tingnan nyo, konti lang talaga yung yung tao. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lang talaga yung car. Ayan yung father. Anong kakainin mo?
Pumba.
Wala, naday humba dire. Tanawon sa day na silahang kuan bago. What's that? I think it's fish. We're gonna go inside now.
Eel.
Ew?
Eel.
Ew? Joyful. Doktor. Wala na daw one table apart. Here. This is our chosen. So I choose my foodie now. Oh, bago ba tong menu nila? So by the way guys, hindi na sila one table apart. Ano na, back to business. So eto yung wow, ang sarap nito. Ano to? Italian cherry mocha to tomato ansarada. Tomato no sarada. Italian cherry. Di ba nakakaon ta nila? Ikaw ni kaon? Gonna eat. Yeah. Am I gonna eat? Kani ilang kuan meat sauce kayo. Guro-guro. So my food has arrived, of course, as always, stamina botado. Because ang tagal ko na din hindi kumain ito kasi ang tagal namin napunta dito. Tapos kay Rookie, looks so delicious. Eel. Anong tawag niyan? Basta eel.
Eel ba eel?
Eel. Na isda. Yung parang snake fish. Yeah, and we also had, of course, salad. Ayan. Coffee, of course. Itadakimasu. Wow, sarap tingnan niya. Itadakimasu. Kaon ka na di ko na.
Thank you, that's right.
So, the dessert has finally arrived. Ito yung kinuha namin, by the way, guys. Ito. Yan. So, this is how it looks like. Oh, why can't I... From the picture and the reality. Reality, picture, reality. Wow. Very close naman. Yeah. Marami din siyang mga fruit. So I cannot wait to eat this 360. This is the mango side. And this is the ichigo or the berry strawberry side. I cannot wait to eat. Wow. Hi, onegaishimasu. So guys, it's now time to eat our dessert. This is mango. Parang may lemon. So, taste this.
Finchy daw.
I like it. I'm gonna taste
Kanang
the
butangan ka
berries
rin ba?
now.
Happy Father's Day. Yeah.
Kaya. To all the fathers, pwede man. Sarap ng lamig. This is so random. Kakain daw kami ng cake dito sa tawag niya, Gia. Naay ko, Andere, Georgia. Na Georgia na kape. I'm gonna drink coffee later. Dako ko mo. Yan ang dako, no? Yeah. Nagpadala. What? Dili? Cake. Melvin! Wala ka ba tignang? Melvin! Melvin! So, I have a gift for Melvin. This is a cat creamy treat. Formulate green tea extract and taurine. This is katsuo flavor from Daiso. Is this you, Melvin? Nara si Melvin. Let's try kung magustuhan ba to ni Melvin. So, let's try the skipjack flavor. Katsuo skipjack flavor. Gusto ni Melvin. You like? Oy?
No. Kira na eh.
Melvin. Ulo. Lami day nino. Sakay lami yan nino. Yan lagi siya. Wow. Yoho.
Unsa nagitumitom siya dunggan day?
Ugaw. Kani? Yang skin.
Daan na.
Oh. Kani murang bunag kani dayon nigtubuan na itom na nya na kuan man naupaw man kay ikaw ras man siya. Wow. Off na. So, we're gonna eat our cake now. Galing sa sa Milky. Milky lagi no Pujia ay. Yan ang Pujia. Milky. Pure may candy din ito. Ito kay Rookie lami iya og itsura. Masarap yung itsura sa kanya. Ano to? Pie?
Apple pie.
Apple pie pero sa akin ito yung itsura niya. Ganyan. Yung parang mint daw to. Kita nyo ba na parang green siya? Wow, let's eat now. So, I'm gonna eat my cakey now. Mint daw to eh. Happy Father's Day! Kalami. Lami kay bro. Sarap niya guys. Chocolate mint na na cake. My God, I need some coffee. You wanna try? Lami kayo. Minty. Diba? Sarap. Hindi matamis. Hindi masyadong matamis. So good. Parang may crunch. I don't know where the crunch came from. Sa cake? Sa cake. May crunch yung sa cake. Really like this flavor. Nagpunta pala kami ng Daiso and I got this, yung para sa aking pillow, yung ganito na size. And first things first, lalabhan ko yan, and then we also got yung cover nga ng ayun yung stove namin, yung ganito. And then I also got a strainer, guys, kasi nung kailan ba yun? Nung Wednesday, gumawa ako ng pancake, tapos it was so lumpy kasi wala akong strainer. So I got a strainer. And eto din kasi yung toilet brush, kasi naiwan yung toilet brush namin sa ibang doon sa basta. So eto buti na lang nakakita kasi ako nito, kasi doon sa kabilang Daiso wala silang measuring spoon na ganito, yung talaga yung merong half 1/4 teaspoon ganyan, yung nandoon is parang ml yung measurement, ganyan ml. Ito naman may 0.5 cc, basta na may nakasulat talaga. Ito yung kailangan ko, guys. And then I also got this measuring cup, para may nabili ako measuring cup, pero for yun, liquids, hindi siya yung pang dry. Ayan, so iba kasi yung measuring cup ng liquid, even though sinasabi na 1 cup, pero iba yung sa liquid talaga, tsaka sa sa mga dry. So eto naman is lang siya nung nakalagay niya, I don't know if you could see it, pero dito may nakalagay na 1 cup, tapos dito half cup. Ayan, dito hindi siya masyadong kita. Ayan eto half. Tapos nag-iisa lang. Eto lang din siya. Yeah, walang 1/4 cup. Ikaw na yung bahala mag-adjust. And then I also got eto yung scissor, yung stationary scissor. Share, wala kaming scissor. And then eto, kasi para paglagyan ko ng receipt. And then what else? Kay Ruki na yata to. Ito pa yung isang kasi I need a pillow for my other pillowcase pala for my other pillow. Ayan. So ano pa ba yung at I think yan lang yung binili namin sa Daiso. So I think maglalaba muna ako kasi meron pa akong nalabhan. Medyo cloudy today, guys. It's still 5 o'clock pero medyo madilim na sa labas. So eto, of course lalaban ko to kasi hindi pa pwedeng gamitin kasi nga wala pang laba. Konti lang naman yung aking labada. Kasi nalaba na ako nung kailan yun? Friday. Today is Sunday. So, konti lang. Wala na bang ibang lalabahan si Ruki? I'm gonna check. Kasi, yung short ni mo, laban
Bago na.
Oh, bago daw. Bago. Sure? Are you for real? Yeah, sabi niya, cut na lang sweater para ako na ning
Kanang short, diri ka na yan.
Oh.
Kanang nibakos ba?
Oh.
White suit.
So, laban na.
Wala na.
That's the one that I'm talking about, bro. And then you said it's new. I think it's not new, Sabi niya, bago? Really? So, lalabhan pala to. Ikaw talaga, Roque. Just wanted to quickly show you something. Kanina, binili ko tong Georgia from the vending machine. And nung iinumin ko na siya, may mga malalaking floaters akong nakita. But, yeah, I think, pero ngayon, nung chinek ko na, nawala na siya. Baka siguro, yung milk tumigas sa sobrang lamig niya dito sa baba. Minsan kasi pag yung 'di ba nagsisink dito sa baba yung kunyari kape or yung gatas kasi this one is ano ba to? Cafe latte. So milk siya. So maybe it was the milk but I got scared. Gusto ko pa namang uminom na ng kape. Kapeng-kape na ako kanina. But I couldn't drink it kasi yun nga may mga something nagpo-float. Pero ngayon kahit anong shake ko sa kanya, wala na talaga yung mga nagpo-float. Kanina meron baka natunaw na yung milk kasi di na din masyadong malamig yung kape. Kanina kasi malamig na malamig ito. So that was such a bummer. But I don't know, kasi alas 7 na, hindi ko alam kung iinom pa ako ng tong kape. Kaya eto na lang yung ininom ko kanino, yung eto na Georgia Cafe Olay. Cafe Olay, tapos eto, Cafe Latte. Asa na yun? Ayan. Ano bang pagkakaiba ng latte tsaka Olay? Yung spelling. So yun lang, share ko lang. Hello friends, I'm back. So, I think I'm gonna say goodnight now. But I wanted to eat this one from Calbee. Kasi today is Sunday. Today is junk food day. Tapos meron pa rin akong coffee. But I am so full. I was planning to eat yung avocado. Pero parang ayoko na. Yeah, ayoko na. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna say goodnight now because I wanted to edit this video right away para ma-post ko na siya. Wala nang kasi pag hinayaan ko pa na pag hindi ko pa siya na-edit ngayon, tapos bukas na. Then, yeah, pwede din kasi may upload naman ako sa Wednesday. So, kasi yun yung nangyari nung last week kaya wala akong upload. Because I wasn't feeling so well. So, I think I'm gonna say goodnight now, everybody. Naglalaba pa ako. So, hintayin ko yun. Then, I'm gonna transfer the clips of this video. So, ayun. So, happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the land. Happy Father's Day to my sweetheart, Rocky the monkey. So, ayan guys. How did you celebrate your Father's Day during COVID-19? It's kind of different, but yeah, it's kind of different. So, just a simple celebration. Today, we just eat out ni Rocky. So, ayun. So, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and a great day as always. My friendships, stay safe, stay healthy. Yeah, stay healthy. Basta stay safe always, guys. Hindi pa rin tapos yung battle natin against COVID-19. So, yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day again. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully I will see you on my next video. Bye.